What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. You all know that I am always at Five Below, looking for dolls and accessories and minis. And they've got quite a few dolls for $5, including Barbie. I see this swim doll or beach doll all the time. It has simple packaging, looks like no plastic. She has blonde hair, blue eyes, a pink lip color. She is shiny and pixelated, comes with a painted-on bathing suit, and the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. Totally not bad for a $5 Barbie. Although the pixelated face thing is still a thing. If you're looking for a doll with fabric fashion, then let's check out Zuru's Sparkle Girls. They come in a cone and are also priced at $5. This doll's a little shorter, but has a larger head. She's not pixelated and there were different dolls to choose from. She has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. She comes with shoes that are removable, rooted hair with a little tinsel. The body proportions kind of remind me of a Bratz. She has clothes that can Velcro in the back. They're a little large on a Bratz. When compared to a Bratz, Sparkle Girls have a wider and longer torso, and their hips are a little wider too. I'm gonna say the dress is a no for Barbie too. I couldn't close it in the back. For $5, there are also Glam Squad Dolls. These are 12-inch dolls with fashion that can often be used with the Barbie. And there are quite a few different ones to choose from, like cowgirl, florist, yoga, pet groomer, and surfer, just to name a few. They also have fantasy dolls if that's your vibe, like mermaids. And almost all the dolls come with accessories and sometimes a second outfit. Like this Series 3 Glam Squad doll comes with a blue dress. It's made out of a satin-like material and it's hemmed at the top and bottom with ribbon straps. The included doll looks like this. All the dolls seem to have a similar face sculpt and large eyes, rooted hair, and varying articulation. This one can move at the head from side to side, at the shoulder, and at the hip. The mermaid tail is a fabric removable tail with sequins. It velcros in the back and has nice thin velcro. The top is a piece of fabric that is pinched in the front. It has a raw edge at the top and bottom, and it velcros in the back. The included dress is hemmed at the top and bottom. The fabric goes all the way around. I think it could make a pretty decent doll nightgown. These dolls have proportions similar to Barbie, so a Barbie can easily fit the mermaid tail and the blue dress. With the mermaid, we also get a necklace, a comb, a shell that can open, and a turtle. This mermaid has a sunset kind of vibe. She also comes with a shell and a turtle. They are different colors. We get a brush, a mermaid with orange hair. There might be a few gaps. We get a different colored tail, which totally is going to come in handy during Mermaid. This doll comes with a second dress that is hemmed at the bottom, but unfortunately not at the top. But I do think it's possible to hem it if you're up to it. But you'll probably need a very thin seam allowance. Here's the dress on the doll. The pattern does go all the way around and it velcros in the back. And here it is on a Barbie. Staying close to the shore, here is the Glam Squad Surfer, who also comes with a turtle and a pink camera, which doesn't look too bad. We can totally paint some of those details. We get a bottle of sunscreen with a sticker label, a tiny surfboard. Here it is next to the included doll. We get a red, pink, and white bathing suit, very simple pattern. Everything is hemmed and it can fit a Barbie. The included doll comes wearing a shirt and shorts. The neckline is hemmed, but the sleeves and the shirt have a raw edge. The shorts are hemmed at the top and the bottom. The shirt has Velcro in the back, but the shorts do not. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation. She has shorter brown hair with a side part and neutral makeup. Honestly, for a Glam Squad doll, she's not too bad. And here's her other outfit on a Barbie. I think the shorts are a little bulky in some areas, but I like the print. And to be accessories with a $5 doll, I'm not mad. And if you just need more articulation, well, there's the yoga doll. Also priced at $5. This doll has been out for a minute. I have seen it in 2 different skin tones. Both dolls come with the same accessories, like a ball, a rolled up yoga mat, which is craft foam with a ribbon, a small blue towel that is sewn around the edge, and it's kind of like a terry cloth material. We get 1 small hand weight and a water bottle with a handle. They gave the dolls the same screening and hair color too, which I'm not a huge fan of, but the matching outfits are fine. They come wearing purple shirts that say good vibes only. They are hemmed at the neckline, at the sleeve, and at the bottom. They have ribbon straps and Velcro in the back. They have purple and pink pants with an elastic waistband that are also hemmed at the top and bottom. These dolls have more articulation than the other Glam Squad dolls we've seen so far. The head can turn from side to side, the arm can move at the shoulder, but it can also bend at the elbow and at the wrist. And you can see that they have fingernails. This doll can move at the hip and bend at the knee. And that's a double joint at the knee, so we're getting pretty good range. There might be some head swapping opportunities. Many of the dolls seem to have similar skin tones. But the Glam Squad doll seems to be more tan than this Barbie, but could probably match others. The doll does feel kind of lightweight compared to Barbie, but an articulated doll at $5 could be worth a look. Let's see if we can remove her head. Place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water to soften the head so we can easily remove it. Let's get the donor head and place it on the new body. And she's good to go. However, if we want to work with what we got, we can probably go in with a little paint to change her eye color. We can try to repaint the eyeshadow as well. I'm not super confident in my repainting abilities, so this is a good time to practice. I give her hair a light curl using a curling iron on low heat. Mine's on 200. If the heat is too high, the hair will burn or melt. But here she is, all done. I used acrylic paint that I watered down a little and a gloss Mod Podge on the lip. But I don't think she turned out too bad. She still looks like a Glam Squad doll with a light makeover. I used the original head, so I only paid $5 to get an articulated doll. Speaking of dolls, this is the Glam Squad Pet Groomer that comes with a doll with the basic 5 points of articulation, blonde hair styled in a long ponytail. She comes with a blue and white gingham top that's kinda cute. It's hemmed and Velcro's in the back. She wears printed dark denim jeans with printed details and white sneakers. The outfit can fit Barbie, including the shoes. We also get a hairbrush. It has a little heart on the other side, scissors that can open and close, a pick. I want to say this is a bar of soap. We get a mirror without a mirror, clippers, a blow dryer, a bone, and a bowl. We also get a small dog and an apron that we can totally give to whatever Glam Squad doll that we like. Same goes for the Glam Squad florist, who comes with a decent pair of overalls. They are printed, but the shoulder straps are made of the same material, and the printed details go all the way around. It's an easy fit on a classic Barbie, but the overalls don't come with a shirt. The included doll has pink hair. Her screening looks a little thick in comparison to some of the other dolls I have, like this one. But that could just be my experience and yours could be different. She comes wearing a white dress with yellow flowers. It does feel kind of plasticky, but could totally be taken apart and used as a pattern. She comes with yellow boots, rectangles of cardstock that I think are supposed to be seed packets, gardening tools that could be really cute with Chelsea, an orange watering can, a small bouquet of flowers, and a rabbit. The Glam Squad cowgirl comes with 2 complete outfits. However, this white and black halter top is not hemmed, but it does have Velcro in the back. We get a printed denim skirt that I totally like better than the strawberry shortcake orange blossom skirt. Remember this from a Glam Squad fashion pack? Because it's hemmed and feels pretty sturdy. We get pink boots with stars and another pair of pink boots without stars. The second outfit is white pants with printed details and a pink shirt with a rose that is not hemmed around the neck and sleeves. It needs to be hemmed. We also get a large pink hat and a blue hip bag or fanny pack. If you're just looking for clothes, I did find this Barbie accessory and fashion pack for $5, where we get a bathing suit that's made of fabric and a bag that has a zipper and accessories inside, like jelly purple Barbie flip-flops, sunglasses, a visor, yellow bracelet, and shell purse. For $3.25, we can pick up a Glam Squad fashion pack. Currently, we can find strawberry shortcake themed ones like this lemon meringue. We have a full video just on these. I think they're pretty cute. We get 2 complete outfits. In this pack, we get a lemon dress, a black tank top with lemon meringue, a gold skirt, a denim jacket, yellow heels, and a fanny pack. We can create more looks by taking the lemon meringue tank top and the overalls from the florist and those yellow boots to switch up their style. Let's not overlook the Zoey dolls. I spotted a few Zoey dolls that I haven't seen before at my local store. These dolls have a pickleball theme. It says there are 9 pieces in this set, and yeah, it's $5. I like using these dolls to give Chelsea dolls a little more articulation. I picked up 2 skin tones and they have the same accessories but in different colors. These 2 are wearing little dresses, one pink, one green. They have collars with a raw edge as well as the sleeves. They are hemmed at the bottom. One has white shoes and the other pink. These dolls have articulation at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. Each doll comes with 2 pickleball paddles, a pickleball, water bottle, headphones, fanny pack, and a net where assembly is required. Swapping to a Chelsea head is pretty easy. We can just pull the Zoey head right off and swap it with a Chelsea with a similar skin tone. And the Chelsea doll remains about the same height. Like Glam Squad, not all Zoey dolls are articulated, so be sure to check. I love that we can find articulated dolls for $5, as well as a few fashion items that we can use with different brands. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments down below. And thank you for joining us while we checked out a few $5 dolls at Five Below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!